So today I'm gonna go through the checklist of the fifth activity. First I'm gonna write my name. So now I'm gonna draw the schematic. So first it's going to be my battery. This is applied 7.5 volts. And from the positive terminal it goes to the plug pole of TRCT. And then from the TRCT to the negative terminal, here is going to be my 10K resistor. And from the 10K resistor to the negative terminal. Then it's going to be my plug bulb of TRCT 5000. Which has this sign. Then from the blue bulb, I'll have my 220 ohm resistor back to the negative terminal. Then it's going to be the connection of two 10K resistors. That's my first one. And that's the second one. Back to the negative terminal. And I just write the values for the resistor. Then it will go to the chip op amp. And that's where my VCC plus is and VCC minus. And back to the negative terminal. And then the output will be connected to an LED. And then from the LED it goes to the 220 ohm resistor and back to the negative terminal. And the third pin of the the third pin of the OP amp will be connected to the plug bulb of the TRCT 5000. And the second pin will be connected to connection between 10K resistors. So that's my schematic plan. So next step is to build a circuit, and I'm gonna use the schematic as a reference. So first let's connect the positive wire to the positive terminal of the breadboard. And negative wire to a negative terminal, negative rail. So next I'm gonna put my TRCT 5000 in. Black bulb should be on the right side. Yep, that's my TRCT 5000 in. Now I'm gonna connect my TRCT 5000, the black bulb, with the positive rail. And the blue bulb with the positive rail as well. Now I'm gonna connect my 10K resistor to a black bulb with the negative rail. Yep. And 220 ohm resistor with my blue bulb and negative rail. So the next thing is to build a connection with the 10K resistors. So that's my first 10K resistor. I'm gonna connect it to a positive rail. And another thinking resistor with the negative rail. And I'm gonna connect them between each other with the black wire, with this wire. So next goes my OP amp. As you can see, there's the little notch here, and I'm gonna put it this way. And now I'm gonna connect the positive wire with the fourth pin of OP amp to supply the power. And the black wire with the pin number 11 of OP amps to the negative terminal.
Is that not smart? Is that right? Realistically.
Yeah, so next I'm gonna put my LED with the output.
I don't know, man. I'm
So that's the first pin. Positive flag with the first pin.
It's always nice to receive, but
So then what you can do is...
It's the LED
go to a home shop and ask for a fucking handout, yeah.
pin.
No.
And 220 ohm resistor
Something you can do is you
with
can, instead
the
of making it
negative
hard,
flag of
you can-
LED and
Yeah, but what kind of
negative
dickhead is gonna... They buy you a present, you get them a fucking card.
Yeah.
I'm not buying...
I'm
this
so
so
sorry.
angry. Man, this is a 25-year-old card, what do you mean? Well, they give out with that fancy pop-up cards, that's your fucking...
That's in. Now I need to make the connection with the second pin
You didn't put your hand up for
and
no kind
the
either.
connection with
I'm skint, man.
two 10k resistors.
Exactly.
I bought a fucking fancy sparkling one.
Well, yeah, on the last week we'll have celebrations and anyways then. Like, see,
I'll say stuff in the pocket.
And third pin with
Like a Christmas thing.
the black bulb of my
I
TST.
get discounts in Tesco's as well because we make food in Tesco's, but even at that,
Yeah,
I don't mind picking up a box of celebrations for us all.
the girl I'm going on was share her mouth in Tesco, so...
And you're still not eating.
No, man, because sometimes you get that €3, like you get a coffee and like one of them, you know, hot foods, you get that for like €3.
That's fine, just.
Yeah.
But which Tesco is you working?
Carol.
Also, you took pre-planned.
So that's
No,
the
like
circuit
her
build.
mouth said that she goes to have a shares.
And now I'm gonna test it. So I'm gonna supply 7.5 volts from the DC supply to the circuit,
or components or anything before I go?
and it should work. So every time I'm gonna put the finger on my TRCT5, the LED should light up. Oh,
It's possible to get that done before you get into the lab with Dave on Wednesday.
Yeah.
Because what I'm conscious of, I don't want you getting left behind us, and if you've got a team ready to go,
stop. So the next step is to test the circuit. I switched my wires with this one with the green. But anyway, let's turn on our DC supply. I'm gonna supply 7.5 volts. So every time I'm gonna put my finger on the TRCT 5000, the LED should light up. And let's check. Yep, as you can see, the circuit works. And also, when I put my finger on the TRCT5, the volts dropping to 5.57, which is normal. And yeah, that's the circuit tested. And the fourth step done. So the next step is to relate the nodes on the schematic. So the first node here corresponds to this connection here between the positive terminal, the black bulb. So this red wire represents this node. The next node is this one. It represents the connection of my second terminal, second pin of the chip with the 10k resistor that goes from the black bulb, and it's that wire here, that red wire. The next node represents the connection between 10k resistor and the negative terminal, which is here, this 10k resistor. Next node is here. It represents the connection between the positive terminal and the blue bulb, which is this wire here. Next node is here, which represents the connection between 220 ohm resistor with the negative terminal, and it's here. Then the node here, and it corresponds to the connection between the positive terminal. Sorry, there was a little mistake here. I need to switch. Okay, now, and it corresponds to the connection between 10k resistor and the positive terminal, which is the resistor here. Next node is this one, which represents the connection between third pin and both my 10k resistors, which is that green wire here, as you can see. And then this node here is the connection between 10k resistor and another 10k resistor with the negative terminal, which is the resistor here. And next node is here, which is the connection between positive terminal with my pin number 4, which is that red wire here. Then this node represents the connection between negative terminal and pin number 11, which is this wire, black wire. Then this node here is the connection between the LED and my output, which is pin number 1, and as you can see, it's right here. Then this connection, and last one, is the connection between the positive terminal, or negative terminal, sorry, and my 220 ohm resistor. So let me just write 220 ohm resistor, and which is the resistor here, and goes to terminal. So that's the 5th part done, and checklist shown and updated during the video done. So thank you.